Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Zebra printer off and unplugging it. This prevents shocks and data errors. Once done, open the media cover and remove the label roll gently. This exposes the printhead. Use a lint-free swab dampened with 90% isopropyl to wipe the printhead in one smooth pass. This removes adhesive and residue. Make sure to also clean sensor windows and plate and roller with a lint-free cloth. Why? Clean components ensure consistent heat transfer and prevent streaks or missing sections on labels. Next, you perform deeper cleaning. Remove the plate and roller if your model allows. Rotate it while wiping with isopropyl to remove sticky residue. This restores even pressure. Then, use a cleaning pen or swab along the printhead traces, following the manufacturer's stroke direction to avoid damage. Once that's done, inspect and clean the media path, guides, and sensors. Adhesive collects there and causes misfeeds. Make sure to let parts dry fully before reassembly to prevent shorts or ink smearing. Finally, you reassemble the printer, reload media, and power it on, then run a calibration and a test print to confirm results. If streaks or gaps persist, repeat the head cleaning once more and consider printhead replacement if the problem continues. Printheads wear over time. If labels misfeed, check sensor alignment and roller tension. Minor adjustments often fix feeding errors. One key tip: if prints show intermittent defects, inspect for small adhesive particles on sensors. Cleaning them usually resolves ink.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.